Alright, what's going on, guys? Part 3 of this video. We picked up a used transmission from our local junkyard. We got a new clutch, and we're gonna drop it in this bad boy today. And hopefully by the end of this video, we get to see this thing running. So let's put this clutch in the transmission and get started.
Okay. Does that thing even work?
What?
Yeah. That plastic piece?
Yeah, it has to. Like once you align it like
no,
this,
what I'm saying is like it's drooping.
it's drooping, but you gotta like push it in like that,
So
and
it's
then
flush.
you tighten it. Yeah,
Oh, I got
and then see like here, I'm pushing it, it'll be aligned.
Yeah.
Lightly tap all the way around to make sure you get your guider pins in. If your guider pins are not going in, don't force it in. Just you might have to like take them out, sand them a little bit.
Dude, this freaking, what is this? So what are we gonna do, lift it? Oh, come on.
That's how you go.
Want me to go higher? Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Yep.
That's it? Can't go no higher?
What am I hitting on the back? Nothing?
Nothing.
Yeah, I'm hitting the exhaust.
Yeah, just pick it up. Alright, that's good.
Okay.
Now we have to be able to
I got to forward.
pick it up inside. Yeah. Hold on, let me push this feet back.
There we go. Alright. Push it forward?
We need the strap.
Push it forward though?
Yeah, we could push it forward a little bit.
Alrighty.
I mean, that should hold there.
Okay. We need the strap?
Maybe. Maybe not. What do you think?
I don't know. We gotta move it around. I mean, we're gonna have our hand on it.
Yeah, no, I think it's good.
Alright, now we need the ratchet.
Alright, guys, we got the transmission in. That was a pain in the ass. Super pain in the ass. And now we're just gonna button everything up. Button everything else up.
Whoopsie.
Alright, we got the cross member in. We got one bolt there, 2 bolts there. Same thing on the other side. And these 2 in the middle. Training is fully supported. We're almost there. Alrighty. Alright, guys, we put the drive shaft in. There's a center bearing. The 4 bolts back here. We threw some Loctite. Just to, you know, make it a little bit more secure. Huh? We have to?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. We have to put Loctite. You're required to. And then we did the heat shield. And there's 1, 2, and then 2 in the front. So 4 bolts in total. And then now we're going to put up the exhaust. Alright, so we forgot about this.
Do you think we need this?
Yeah, we need that. Well, we gotta cut that rusty part out.
Yeah, that's crazy. Such an expensive exhaust.
I know, it's crazy how it just rusted
Right here.
in this section. And everything else is
good.
perfectly fine, just that section right there.
Yeah. Bubbling up all over. You know what that is? That's the water that it holds in there. When you start it, nice and loose.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll get a little rattled. But it's blue tipped. Look. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Wait, wait.
That's a discovery right there, bro. Look at that.
It's an extra, it's like an extra 100 horsepower
Oh, wait
right
a
there.
minute. What's the brand?
What is it?
Oh, it says,
A Integrity?
it says something about you suck. You suck and you slow.
All right, dude, let's do this. But all right, so we're gonna weld this up, and then we're gonna put the exhaust in. Yo, you sure you know what you're doing?
I'm a professional. Look, you got a light.
All right, guys. So everything that needs to be on underneath the car, we got on. We just threw up the exhaust, and now we got to put in the axles and everything on top. Throw in some fluid, and we'll be able to start this bad boy. All right, guys. Now we're throwing in the axles. Gonna put together everything that we took apart up here. Drain the fluid. I'm gonna be able to whip this bad boy. Hopefully the transmission from the junkyard is good.
All right, so since you're gonna fill up, you can pick your poison. You can go to Subaru, pick them up, but you're gonna need the 75 W90. I went with this company. They got good reviews. Stay away from the cheap stuff because these trannies are already sensitive enough. They really can't take, you know, cheap oils. So make sure you get something a higher end, whether it's this or Redline or whatever. I prefer this one. They come with their own little pull-out thing, but I grabbed a funnel anyway, so I could just dump it in there. But this is a good brand, so put in 3.7, or I'm gonna put all 4 quarts in there, and like that I'm all set. Since I'm not using the snout, I'll just remove it, and then I'll just dump it in. That's pure gold for you boys and girls. If you haven't, you know, other issues with your transmission, you know, like if it's not going in the gear right, you can add a bottle of KY Jelly Lube, and it seems to help it pretty good.
So I'm following my pops, test driving the Subi. Seems to be running good, tranny's good. All we gotta do now is fix that power steering leak and the valve cover gaskets that are leaking. And there's a few more things. There's some rust spots that we gotta get to, but oh, that sounds good. He hits it. Yeah, it sounds good. Seems to be running straight.